You just found the 2020 Toyota RAV4. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a refined and capable RAV4 that's got everything you need to make your excursions comfortable and convenient. Whether you're running errands around town or having an off-road adventure, you'll love this compact SUV's excellent visibility and extra ground clearance. And its ample cargo capacity, driver assistance tech, and multimedia infotainment system give you the confidence to relax and enjoy the drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, Wi-Fi hotspot, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control. Rugged yet refined and totally connected, this RAV4 strikes the perfect balance. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable and professional staff will make it the best part of your day.